Hi you guys, wanted to show you an example of true leaves. I've got three. I've got spinach, cilantro, sunflower, and actually four. I have an example of tomato. So getting down here, if you see this leaf right here, kind of just looks like a blade of grass. That is called the first leaf. That's normally the way that looks on a lot of plants. Sunflowers don't look that way. But then you can see, here's my actual true leaf. What actually looks like a spinach leaf. So I am pretty pleased with this so far. Moving over here, this is a cut and come again lettuce. This is pretty much how this is going to look. Except it's going to get a little bit bigger. Coming over here, sorry about the shadow, let me get out of the way. You can see here, see those little frilly, here, dead center, frilly leaves, that's cilantro. And again, the first ones are the ones that look like a blade of grass. So you can think of the first one as your baby teeth. And the rest of them, you're now getting into adult teeth or an adult plant. What cilantro actually looks like. Coming over here. Let's see if I can get in here or not. Okay, this is sunflower seeds. See, there it is. First one is the first leaf. And then you can see the stuff in the center is the actual true leaves. What it is going to look like as it starts to grow, of course. It's just going to get bigger as it grows. And these are mammoth sunflowers, so that leaf is going to be huge. Now, here's the tomato. And the majority of these tomatoes just have their first leaves at the moment. And a little bit yellow right here. It's not really what I want. However, I'm finding that these styrofoam egg curtains really hold the moisture. This is about as dry as this thing has been. I can still feel a little bit of dampness underneath here. So I'm just going to probably let this go for another day before I water this again. But you can see, like right here, there is starting to be that first little true leaf. It's very tiny. You can also see up here, let's see, where is it at? Good Lord. Right here, that is the seed that it came from. So when you see that, all you need to do is just lightly pull that off. And you're good. Alright, you guys. Have a great day. Love you all. Please like and subscribe.